going on, everybody? So this is a weekly outlook video for March 17th, St. Patty's Day. So it's going to be a pretty big week this week. So before we get into the charts, let's take a look at Wednesday. We got the Fed meeting on Wednesday. Also, the next day we have Swiss monetary policy and also the pound. So there's going to be some big movers in terms of central banks, interest rates, and especially it'll be interesting to see how that affects how they address inflation now with Trump in office. So I think that's the biggest thing to watch out for. So if we look at our charts here, take a look at the dollar index first. So the dollar has seen some serious weakness, but seems like we're starting to maybe find some support over this past week here. So I would say the market is more or less waiting to see what happens on Wednesday, right? So with what the Fed's going to do, are they going to raise rates, keep them the same, and their general tone, hawkish or dovish. So hawkish means they're in favor of raising interest rates, and dovish would be rolling back and cutting interest rates. So it's hard to say whether they'll do one or the other, but so you can see here, we've been ranging for this past week here on a lot of these dollar pairs. Euro's been pumping higher, so this is basically an inverse of what we see on the dollar index, right? So you can see how that's pretty much like the opposite. So, and we take a look at the pound. This is going to be a big one too because of the Bank of England's report on Thursday, the following day. So this is going to be pretty massive as well. So it'd be interesting to see, say we get some dollar strength, some sort of pullback here, and then pullback on Wednesday. Doubt it would be that much, but you never know. It's the pound. But some sort of pullback into an area like this, and then comes the monetary policy report for England and the UK, could be a great buying opportunity. So that's what I'm going to be looking for, pullbacks following the news, following the announcements, and then hopefully capitalize on them. So you can see here, dollar yen kind of range bound. If we take a look at some of the other yen pairs, GJ, does not look like it's fun to trade. Euro yen holding up a little better because euro has seen some strength recently. If we take a look at CAD, coming back to, I think, what could be a good entry possibility sometime next week on the short side. So let's have a great week, everybody. We got some huge announcements that are about to drop, so stay tuned to your email and our Discord, and let's absolutely crush it this week. If you're wondering where I'm at, I'm in Brazil, and I know the lighting isn't too good right here, but it's because the sun's behind me. But you all have a good week, and let's crush it. Peace.